Hey, boys.
Hey.
Hey, Noah. Look right here. What? This way.
What?
Always have to have those shades. Cool. I'm trying to zoom up again. Yeah. Well, let's tell them what we're doing today.
I'm a doctor.
Okay, whatever. Okay, so today, what are we doing? We are going to Walmart for the first time since, let me think, from forever.
Almost to Christmas.
We're going to Walmart today because our state finally, I think, yeah, it did open up, and I'm super excited because me and the boys have not been to Walmart in like, how long? Like 2 months. Maybe not that long. I don't know.
I think 2 months, I think 3 or 4 months.
Not that long. It's been since like maybe March, like the middle of March, somewhere. Yeah, it's been a really long time since we've been to.
It's been like 60 days. Yeah.
That's the same as 2 months.
I'm gonna spend $48. I know, that's why I said $44.
He's gonna spend $44, I guess, and I'm gonna spend like $27.
If Noah is correct, I may spend like 30.
Yeah. Well, sorry about this super long intro. I never have intros this long, but I guess today we're having some intros this long. So yeah, I'm so excited about today. I've been like waiting for like 3 days to go here. I know it's really ridiculous, but yeah, we're going shopping for slime supplies for a new video. This is like a huge sneak peek to it. So then this should be going up on Saturday, like my other video. So yeah. Hey boys, you know what to say, I think.
Wait, make sure to subscribe to Maddie's YouTube channel and buy a slime if you want. And buy.
Yes. So
Wait.
What?
I'll probably be buying action figures.
Okay. Well, yeah, that's it for our intro. Let's get on.
No way! Venom has one now? Whoa, look at Venom. Here's look at this Venom. Oh, you should get that. Yeah, well, I don't really.
Yeah.
There's some pink here, but not very many colors.
And I love blue and I love chick.
Let me see. I'm blogging. I wonder if this got any better. I wonder if it got any better. I feel like it's always not been good. Going to look for some glue. Here we go. It's very cheap here, which is really nice. Oh wow, on sale for only $16. Oh, got some glue.
How much is that?
11. Yeah, and Mom. Oh, I'm so excited showing the clear nails on sale. Yeah, I'm so excited. Let's see, is there any more? Look how big that is. Look how big this is, Mom. Oh, and look how cheap. Yeah. Look, the clear glue is on sale. $4 off.
Wow.
Hey, look at that.
Yeah, I thought not as much.
Let me put
It looks 3D. That is so weird. It looks like it's just like.
No, do this. It's a holograph, so like.
Whoa, that is weird.
Well, that looks.
Actually, like, where's goo at Walmart? Oh yeah.
I just think emeralds look.
Look how cool that
Yes.
is. Mom, look.
That is cool.
And I think they're all scented.
Oh, we have PS4 though, don't we?
But it's blue, Pierce. There's one in blue.
This doesn't go with this.
Is that the PlayStation?
Wait, there's one in blue.
I don't know. I'm not a gamer. Oh yeah, PlayStation. I guess I am. Woohoo. Hey, stop touching it, Noah. I got a cento. What?